What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is gonna be a super lit one. We are out here in Marina del Rey. We turning up all the way. You know what I'm saying? So we parking, got the alcohol, got the gifts, got my baby right there. You know what I'm saying? She looking bad as fuck. She a little stressed out, but it's all good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna surprise Elsy for her birthday. We're gonna have a yacht party today. So we're getting ready. Uber about to pick us up from the parking spot all the way to the yacht. He's gonna take us to the yacht. Yeah, I'll tune in with you guys when we're over there. All right, y'all.
Don't let Evelyn see you with those glasses.
Hey, sorry, Evelyn. I had to get these real quick because my eyes was hurting outside. I don't know why. But yeah, we're on our way. We parked the car. We're heading to the yacht now. And I've never been here, so I'm pretty excited. My baby's looking real scrumptious today. Thanks, baby. So we're just gonna turn up at on the yacht. And we're just waiting for Elsy. He's gonna be blindfolded and all that. Put a dildo in her face. Bam!
Like I'm trying to ball. You know I blow a bag when I hit the mall. So when you wanna fuck with a boss, just give me a call. Make you my only. Baby, just hit me when you lonely. If you a freak, you can show me. Baby, I want you to put it on me. What you gonna do? No time to waste. Put it all in my face. Everybody wanna be around me. Can't tell if they for me or wanna take my place.
Yo, it's real nice out here. Really like it. All these boats, beautiful. I plan one day in the future get a little vacation spot next to the water and give me a little boat. Let me drive the boat. All right, you guys, so check it out. We have a bartender and a chef on board. What's going on, chef? What's your name? How's it going, Mark? What's on the menu today?
Well, we're gonna start off with lemon pepper chicken and sweet chili chicken.
Wow.
And then we'll go into some salmon and shrimp tacos.
That sounds amazing.
Then we'll have some New York strip and more chicken breasts with 2 salads.
Alrighty.
And then we'll end with 2 ribeyes.
Oh, sounds good. Thank you, chef.
And tequila.
And tequila. Here's our bartender right here. Look.
Mucha tequila.
Woo. We are ready for a wonderful night.
Cheers.
Yeah. Hey.
Oh, here we go. Got a bed. Wow.
A head in here.
Oh, and a bathroom. Nice. And then a hallway.
Little hallway.
Wow, it does not look this big from the outside.
This is kind of like the crew room for all the extra supplies, and then we have to spend the night. That's where we spend the night. This is actually the second toilet that's out of order right now.
Alrighty.
So we have 1 toilet.
And then another bedroom
And
here.
then another bedroom here.
Wow, this looks amazing.
For real.
Little office area right here.
Let me show you I'm for real. I don't usually cuff, I ain't into signing deals.
And we have this area here, little lounge area. We got Brenda right here. What's good? She's about to get fucking crazy. Got Evelyn. She's not gonna get too crazy. Here we got another lounging area up here. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, a little, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Hey, I'm excited. I'm ready to turn up. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give a like. Make sure you comment down below. You know we get lit. I tell you guys every time. Everybody in the comment section will let you know how lit we get. And stay tuned, and I'll show you how lit we get. Let's go. We waiting for everybody to get here.
Sí, señor. Yo soy de rancho.
Aw, shit. The fucking nopal. Hey, I was like, the beans are here, but where's the nopales? That's clean, bro. Your little outfits. Real quick. Look at it. Aw, what happened? And I just bought it too. No way. Hey, what'd you bring me? Would you special delivery, guys? Special delivery.
I do work for what is it?
Uber drinks.
Instacart.
Oh, okay.
But it's Instachris.
Ooh.
You know
what you got?
I got peach.
Ooh.
Or Chris. Peach.
Peach Chris.
Okay. Second one is
Oh.
Piña.
Piña.
Para la
niña. Ya tú sabes.
And then last, hey,
What else you got?
you know I like random shit, you know.
Random. So we're fucking with some new shit today? Summer watermelon?
Cause
Sounds pretty good.
it's cool, man. It's the end of summer.
But we're not, it's not summertime though.
Oh, it's not?
Nah. Throw it overboard.
Right. So I got 2, right? I didn't know which one to choose. This is prevention. I guess this is like not get drunk.
Yeah.
But this is a boost, so you want to get extra.
So don't take the wrong one.
Yeah, so I can't like.
Alright, you guys. We don't want to get hungover today, so we're gonna try this out.
Yeah, so I'm actually like, I told myself I'm gonna just have 1 or 2 drinks, but since I'm only taking 1 or 2, I need a boost. So it could be at least 4.
It doubles your drunkenness with no hangover. Now, so supposedly you're supposed to not give you a hangover, so I'm gonna give you a little review tomorrow. Let me show you. I'll let you know how I feel. Okay, shake it.
Now I'm not gonna ask you no more. Come back up. Now I'm not gonna ask you no more. Come back up.
Ready, 3, 2, 3. This is our first shot of the day. Oh shit. Oh fuck. Take off the condom. There you go. Ooh. Alright, ready. Cheers. Yeah, 2 sides. Like ass titties though. Alright. Ass titties. This shit tastes like Flintstone vitamins.
Here, look, it does.
Fuck, you over here talking about your outfit wasn't right, bro.
No,
you looking
it's not.
fresh.
Oh, thank you, bro. I appreciate it.
Joe Suna in the building.
Oh, I just wore fucking shorts. He got on Dior shorts. What are you talking about?
I got a little basketball shorts or something.
Damn.
I just wore shorts.
Joe Suna.
Lemon
Ooh.
pepper and a sweet chili chai. Sweet chili.
You want lemon pepper or sweet chili chai?
Lemon pepper and that's sweet chili chai.
Thank you.
Ooh.
Yeah. Do you like it? Yeah, a little bit. Or not? It's a little bit spicy.
You can just stand right here.
I'm fired.
That's amazing.
Delicious. Can I try the lemon pepper? Thank you.
Got the lemon pepper steppers. Straight Wingstop.
Better than
Bitch tooted up, I'm trying to get lit in here. Walk in this bitch looking like a chandelier. She gon' take this nut like a souvenir.
Alright, you guys, so it's about that time. We're gonna take the first one. See how this goes. We got 2 Chris's in here, you know what I'm saying? So we gotta drink twice as much.
Oh,
Let's go. Cheers.
Cheers, cheers, gang.
Ready or what?
What? I'm scared.
2, go.
What the heck? Are you done? How do you do this right now?
I'm just tryna dive in for the night. I told Shawty meet me on the west side.
Somebody like you. Somebody like you.
She's fucking crazy.
Hey, look. Hey, I need somebody like you. Don't you hear these songs every time I write you? I can put you on, baby, that's what I do. And she on mine, little shorty 5, 12, 2. I need somebody like you. Don't you hear these songs every time I write you? I can put you on, baby, that's what I do. And she on mine, little shorty 5, 12, 2. I'm with my shorty. We be racking up a bag, yo, Gotti. Patron with the Henny, we can start our own party. Couple 458, it's a Lamb or a Rari. And we ballin', yeah, we doing what we supposed to. Going up every week, girl, I told you. Said you never seen a man, I'ma show you. Once I'm done chasing the bag, I'ma roll through. Young, rich, take trips, we do it all the time. Diamonds on my wrist, I got them going blind. When it's hitting like this, it's hard to tell the time. Type of vibe that we got, you'll never find. It's just me and you, I told you, you the only. You give that good, then talk like we homies. You got a real one, I can't leave you lonely. I'm with you 24/8 like I'm...
No mames.
I know, I ordered something.
Let's go, vámonos. Let's go, vámonos.
This one's a lightweight. One more and she's over.
Okay. Oh my god.
It's coming on your face. What the fuck did you just say? Hey, his shirt going further down.
And then I have one shirt. What's that thing right there, bro? What you doing with the shirt?
Oh! Hey, we want some food. We about to take that last of that Don Who.
Come on now, that Don Who.
That Don Who?
Don Who.
That Don Him. Who him? Who's about to take that?
I told you what we've been drinking, Don Julio,
that
right?
Don Who?
I told you we were drinking Don
that 42
Julio.
make you feel cool, don't ain't that right?
You're sipping on that Don Who?
Casamigos.
That Casamigos make her to her Casamigos.
Tell me something.
All right.
Where are you?
This salmon right here, fire.
You try the mushrooms though.
The mushrooms, oh my god.
The shrimp is hella good.
The shrimp, no. The shrimp was okay. But the mushrooms though, you should have the mushrooms.
Hey, try a mushroom.
The mushroom, oh my god.
Yeah, I don't like mushrooms.
Oh,
what?
Oh my.
I heard you take mushrooms, motherfucker.
Yeah, not those.
Oh. Try it,
It's
babe.
so good. Yeah,
Hey, you start tripping after you eat that shit. All right, come on, let's take a shot.
Wait, my
Who's drunk? Ain't nobody drunk yet?
Man, if you ain't jumping off, you ain't drunk.
What if you can't swim?
Well, shit, we have life jackets. Arriba, abajo, adentro, al centro. Let's go, vámonos.
How we should do a toast?
A toast?
Okay,
A toast?
Arriba,
Wait, who's going first? Who's going first?
Here, so cheers to Elsy for turning 25. Happy motherfucking
A century in 5 years.
A quarter of a century.
Yeah, you too.
Does that mean you're a Libra? Or what?
No, she a Virgo.
Oh, okay.
What's your sign?
I'm a Libra. It's Libra season, by the way.
Boring.
Oh, she said it's boring, bro.
Boring. Boo. You stink.
Hey, show her not how you're not boring.
Hey, where's the key at? Where's the key at? Hey, make a hole.
Kiat.
Make a hole.
God damn, why are you so aggressive, Elsy?
Whoa.
Can you hold it, baby? Then you double fist it?
Yeah. Double fisted that. Whoa. That's a little freaky. Short? Oh, I was thinking about something now.
No wonder you got pregnant.
Ah, dude, I might be pregnant right now.
On accident.
Ah!
Hey, for this one, you just gotta open your throat like.
Shotgun, shotgun, shotgun.
She said that's easy.
Alright, just to let you guys know, like I said in the last clip, I'm gonna win again. So,
You're gonna win what, the shotgun?
this whole part of this vlog, make sure you pay attention to me, because
Oh, you just
I'm
have
gonna feel
one.
this.
The shotgun?
Yeah, like literally at 3 seconds.
If you don't, you owe me $1,000. Girl, 2,000. You owe me 8,000. Me?
Wait, he cheated.
Christina, start! You already got a head start. Go, go,
Pussy, pussy.
Come on, 2 shots, 1 shot.
2 shot, 3 shot, 4 shot, whatever you want, brother.
Yeah, straight vodka all the time. Ya tú sabes.
Ya tú sabes, maje, ya tú sabes, vámonos, pendejo. Nah, cállate, chico.
Alright, y'all, we out. Drunk as shit.
What?
I don't know where the fuck we going. We ain't even booked no rooms.
Hey, they just here. Fuck it.
Fuck it. Look at this shit, bro.
So, hey, I just ordered Chick-fil-A, but instead of Chick-fil-A, I got a AAA.
He wanted fucking strips, he got a tow truck instead. Hey, I'm on the scooter. The Uber didn't let us all go together. So we're riding this bitch to the fucking hotel. Oh shit. Ya tú sabes, I'm going to my fucking hotel where they didn't let me hop in the Uber, no mames. So I got me a little bird scooter. I'm fucking dead. Look, these motherfuckers don't want to share a lane with me, assholes. Hey, no mames, we're out here. We got in a random room. We got here on a bird scooter.
Bro,
we got here on a bird
fucking
scooter.
left me, dog.
Nah, it's good. How the fuck you get here?
God.
You straight ran over here?
I pray.
What happened? No way.
Fucking ain't shit. Near badge, no fucking way.
Why are they in the bushes?
I see you doing your thing, girl, with your finances. Look at you, selling out all them eyelashes. Got a baby in the crib, look how time's passed us. Glad you saw the bigger picture like IMAXs.
I'm buff like The Rock. Yeah, suck. You already know what's up, because I'm rocking high socks.